Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Zoho Mail quickly and efficiently, whether you're brand new to Zoho and setting up your first account, or you just want a smooth way to log in and check your inbox. This guide will walk you through the steps clearly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to zoho.com/mail. This is the direct gateway to Zoho Mail. If you don't yet have an account, no worries. Right on this page, you'll see the sign up option. Click on it, and Zoho will guide you through the registration process. Just enter your details, set a password, and your account will be ready in no time. If you already have a Zoho account, you'll want to click on Sign In instead. On the login page, type in your registered email address. Take a moment to double-check it for accuracy. Small typos can prevent you from getting in. After that, click on Next. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you've entered it correctly, click Sign In, and just like that, you'll have access to your Zoho Mail dashboard. Now, here's a little shortcut. If you're browsing from the main Zoho homepage or already inside the platform, you'll notice an Apps icon. Clicking on that will show you all of Zoho's available tools. From there, simply select the Mail icon and you'll be taken directly to your inbox without needing to type in the Mail URL each time. This makes things faster and keeps your workflow more efficient, especially if you're also using Zoho's other apps like CRM, Projects, or Docs. Zoho Mail is popular for its clean interface, reliable performance, and professional features, which makes it a solid choice for both personal and business communication. Once you've gone through these steps a few times, logging in will become second nature. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access your Zoho Mail account step by step.